Yes friends, just now we discuss one sum, so that is how to find the missing Roman numerals. So some Roman numerals are given, like first two Roman numerals are given and third, fourth, fifth and sixth is missing and seventh is given. Then how to find? So how to find the missing Roman numerals? We have to check what is this first. Here 10. Then these two smaller Roman numerals on right side, so we have to add according to our second rule. So 10 plus 1 plus 1, that is 12. This is 12. And here also same, x means bigger one, and I means two smaller, they are on right side, we have to add. Again the same thing, and these are repeated, we have to add. Then 10 plus 3 times repeated, so we have to add 3 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 13. 12 and 13 is there. Then so we have to write 14, 15, 16, 17 and this is 18. How this is 18? See here, this is 10, bigger one, this is a smaller one, bigger one, after smaller one is there, and again after smaller one. So means smaller descending order Roman numerals are on right side. So it means we have to add. How to add? 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Then 10 plus 5 plus, that is total 18. This is. So 12, 13 is there and 18 is there. Now we have to write 14, 15, 16, 17. These are the missing Roman numerals. We have to write these missing Roman numerals. Then, according to our rule, so then how to take? 14 means 10 plus 4. Then 10, 4. How to take 4? 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. We have to write 5 minus 1. Then, here 10 means x, two bigger Roman numerals according to our fourth rule. So what is the fourth rule? This is the 5 and small Roman numeral should be there in between two bigger Roman numerals. So this is the representation of 14. Then 15. Then how to represent 15? 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5. 10 representation is there in the Roman system and 5 representation is there in Roman system. Then we can easily write 10 plus 5. 10 means x and 5 means b. This is 15. So then 16. Then how to write 16? 10 plus 5, 10 plus 6. 6 representation, direct representation is not there. So again we have to follow the rules. According to the rules we follow. Then how to take 10? Then 6, how to take 6? 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. Bigger number, smaller number and smaller. Bigger, smaller, smaller. It means smaller numbers are on right side. So we have to add. We have to add according to our second rule. Then x. After that v. This is the representation of 16. Then after that 17. Then how to represent 17? 10 plus 7, 17 we know. Then direct 7 representation is not there. 7 for 7 there is no letter in our system, Roman system. Then how can we take 7? Then 10 plus, again we have to take 5. 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. Again 2 left. That 2 we can write 1 plus 1. Why 1 plus 1? Again 2. Direct representation is not there. So again we have to take 1 plus 1. Then how to represent this? Bigger, smaller, smaller. So bigger, smaller, smaller on right side. It means we have to add it here. So it means we take right side values. 10 is representation x and 5 plus is there. When plus is there we take right side. That is 5 and again 1 is lesser value. So that is on right side. Again plus is there. And again one more, same repeated numbers. Repeated numbers are there. Whenever repeated numbers are there, we have to add according to our first rule. So then on right side. So these are the representation, these are the missing numbers we have to write on the basis of our rules. So these are our rules in Roman numerals. So in this way, so we have to write the missing numbers. Yes friends, before we discuss about Roman system, rules, about 4 rules. Again we discuss how to find missing numbers when the numbers are given. So now we are going to discuss again a concept how to write in ascending order when few Roman numerals are given. Then how to write in ascending order. So in the same pattern. Whatever Hindu Arabic system is there, that same pattern is there in this also. First we have to find the numbers. So how? First recognize what is this number, and after that we have to recognize what is the number and what is this number, what is this number. First we convert these numbers into Hindu Arabic numerals. So according to 4 rules, we should write. So what is this number here? See here, this is 10 and this is 10. The small Roman numeral is there in between 2 bigger Roman numerals. So the condition is there. The first Roman numeral we have to take as it is, that is 10. Again we have to take plus. Then after that what we have to do? Again the big Roman numeral is there, that we have to take, and left side we have a small Roman numeral. So we make minus and 1. First, this first big Roman numeral we have to take as it is and plus. Till here it is okay. Then after that, this is the one more big Roman numeral. So we have to take that big Roman numeral. Then after that, small Roman numeral is there on left side. Left side means negative minus. Then 10 plus 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Then that is 19. This is 19 representation. And after that, this one. The same Roman numeral repeat twice. Repeated means add it. 10 plus 10. And after that, small Roman numeral is there on right side. So again we have to add, that is plus 1. Then 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 1, that is 21. And after this same Roman numerals repeated twice. Repeated means we have to add according to our first rule. Again 10 plus 10, that is 20. The last one, 10 and 5 is there. Small Roman numeral is there on right side. Then we have to add, that is 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5, 15. These are the values. X means 19, XXI means 21, XX means 20, and XV means 15. Now ascending order. How to write it? Ascending order means increasing order. Ascending order means increasing, means smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger. Which one is a smaller? 19, 21, 20, 15. This is the smaller one. First we have to take this, that is XV. Then after that, these 3 remaining, 19, 21, 20. In this one is the smaller. Then XIX. Then after that, which one is the smaller? This one is the smaller. Then X and X. Then after that, one left. That is the final one. That is XX1. These are the representation. These we have to write in ascending order. First of all, we have to convert the Roman numerals in Hindu Arabic numerals. Then after that we have to decide which one is the smaller. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing means smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger. So first we have to take smaller one and some more bigger, some more bigger and some more bigger. In this way we have to write ascending order. This is the method. Then how to write in ascending order. One more question is given, that is CXL, CXXX, CXC, CCX. Then how to write this in ascending order? The same way. Again we have to convert all these Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic numerals first. Then after that we have to decide which one is ascending order, which one is the smaller one. We have to take smaller one first, and little bit bigger, and little bit bigger. So the same way here, X, C means 100. This X is the smaller Roman numeral. This is in between two bigger Roman numerals. Then how to write? First we have to take bigger Roman numeral and place. Then after that, so here these two, this is 50 and this is 10. The 50 and this is the left side. The smaller one is on left side. According to our third rule, we have to make it minus. That is 50 minus 10. Then 100. 50 minus 10 is 40. That is 140. This is the first one. And the second one, C. C means 100 and X means smaller Roman numerals. They are on right side. Right side means plus, and they are repeated. Repeated means we have to add second rule and first rule. Apply second and first rule. Plus 10, plus 10 and plus 10. This is 130. Then after that, here this is a C, X and C. This is a small Roman numeral that is in between two bigger Roman numerals. Then again this one first we have to take C. C means 100 and plus. After that we think this is on left side. According to our third rule we make it minus. 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10. That is 100 plus same. 100 minus 10 is 90. That is 190. That is 190. After that, here the same Roman numerals. When same Roman numerals repeats, we add. Then 100 plus 100, and this X is the smaller Roman numeral. When smaller Roman numeral is there on right side, again you have to add the same thing. Again you add here. Then that is total 210. 210. Now this is 140, 130, 190 and 210. Now ascending order. How to write in ascending order? Ascending order. This one is the least. 130 is the least one. Ascending means increasing order. Increasing means first we have to take the smaller one. Smaller one is 130. 130 means C, X, X, X. Then after that 140. 140 means this one. C, X and L. Then after that 190. 190 means this one. C, X and C. Then 210 means this one. C, C, X. So this is in ascending order. This is first question and this is second question.